All right, so picture this. Your winter storage time is up and your perfectly built car is ready to come out of storage. It's been sitting there for several months now. You go to start it and it sounds like, did you know fuel starts to go bad after 30 days from the refinery? So it's not quite like milk where it has a quick expiration date, but it's not like honey either where it never goes bad. Most gasoline after 2 years is completely useless and it's full of sludge and will gunk up your entire system. That is where products like these from Sta-Bil come in handy. Now this product here, a lot of you are probably familiar with if you winterize or store your car for long periods of time. And if you're not familiar, you should get familiar. So the idea behind the Sta-Bil Storage is that it's going to protect your fuel for up to 2 years. So 2 years in storage with a little bit of this on it, or in it, I should say. That's going to prevent your fuel from starting to sludge and gunk up your system the next time you turn it on. It does this through the use of antioxidants and anti-corrosives. Just like the human body needs antioxidants, so does your fuel. One thing I also really like about this is the guys at Sta-Bil were nice enough to include this awesome label. So if you take a good look there, it tells you that the product is opened on X date. So you can fill this in when you open it because, like gasoline, each of these bottles once opened are only good for about 2 years. So if you think of storage as the cure for bad fuel over a long period of storage, you can think of the 360 protection as the prevention for that very same thing. So like I said, this is an ethanol treatment and stabilizer, and this is for E85 or any fuel, and to kind of stop things from building up ahead of time. So especially if you're in the UK or places where they put lots of ethanol in the gasoline, you can start to get water buildup, and this is going to do a good job of preventing that. So this is something you can run year-round or use frequently in your fuel stops. If you run a classic car using high-octane fuels, for example, this is probably going to be especially helpful in those old gas tanks. This will prevent corrosion. This will prevent water from building up in the ethanol fuels and things like that. This is your treatment to prevent needing this. I mean, if you're storing the car, you're going to need this. If you don't ever store the car and you still want your fuel in good shape while you drive it year-round, this is the one you're going to be looking for. Are you enjoying learning about the products here from Sta-Bil? It just so happens that Gold Eagle, the company that makes these, is nearly 100 years old, so they have tons of products. And just last week, we unboxed some really wicked detailing products from 303 with lots of science to back those up too. So the good news is for anybody looking for either of these products or lots of Sta-Bil products, they're all on the market as of now. You can find these at Walmart, your local automotive retailers, and of course, Amazon as well. If you want to learn more about these or other products that they carry, you can head over to goldeagle.com or Sta-Bil.com. That's STA-BIL.com. Additionally, if you want to do your shopping from the comfort of your own home or the garage, you can find all sorts of Sta-Bil products on Amazon. Check the link in the description for quick and easy ordering. Hey guys, just a quick reminder that if you're enjoying the content, we would love it if you would like, subscribe, or even better, turn on the little notification bell at the bottom if you like all of our content. We'll see you on the next one.